Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Vanguard Control Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance, USA-made paddle designed for players who prioritize control, precision, and consistency. It features a quad carbon fiber face, which enhances ball control and responsiveness while reducing vibration. This allows players to execute precise shots with a soft touch and improved spin. At the core of the paddle is the polypropylene X5 plus 16mm core, which is engineered for shock absorption and a quieter playing experience. The thicker core increases stability and provides a solid feel, making it ideal for players who want to enhance their defensive and strategic play. The Control Epic model offers a larger sweet spot, allowing for more forgiving shots and better accuracy. The paddle's ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended play, reducing hand fatigue while providing a secure hold. Despite its lightweight design, the Vanguard Control Paddle maintains a durable construction, with edgeguard protection to extend its lifespan. The quad carbon technology also improves touch and finesse, making it ideal for dinking, drop shots, and controlled net play. This paddle is a great option for players who value precision over power, as it emphasizes soft play, control, and shot placement rather than aggressive smashes. The USAPA-approved paddle is suitable for both competitive and recreational play, ensuring it meets official tournament standards. Overall, the Selkirk Vanguard Control Pickleball Paddle is an excellent choice for control-oriented players, offering premium materials, superior touch, and long-lasting durability. It's especially well-suited for players who rely on strategy and finesse to dominate the game. Number 2. Panel Sound Pickleball Paddles. The Pickleball Paddles set of 2 is a lightweight, USAPA-approved set designed for both beginners and intermediate players. The paddles are constructed with a fiberglass surface, which provides a balance of power and control. The polymer honeycomb core enhances durability while maintaining a lightweight feel for ease of use. Each paddle features a comfortable ergonomic grip, ensuring better handling and reducing wrist strain during extended play. The edgeguard protection adds durability by preventing chipping or damage from accidental impacts. This set includes 2 paddles and outdoor pickleballs, making it a great choice for family games, casual matches, or competitive play. The paddles are designed to provide a responsive feel with reduced vibration, making them suitable for both power shots and controlled placements. The fiberglass face allows for excellent ball control and spin, making it ideal for players looking to improve their game. The paddles are also designed with a quiet playing experience, making them suitable for use in noise-sensitive areas. The lightweight design makes these paddles easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during long matches. The USAPA approval ensures they meet official standards, making them suitable for tournament play. Overall, this pickleball paddle set of 2 offers a great combination of durability, control, and lightweight performance, making it an excellent choice for players of all skill levels. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your equipment, this set provides quality paddles with enhanced playability at an affordable price. Number 3. Joola Ben John's Persus 14mm. The Joola Ben John's Persus Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed for players seeking an optimal balance of power and control. Featuring charged surface technology, this paddle offers increased power and improved feel on every shot. The innovative surface technology allows for better ball spin and enhanced ball responsiveness, providing players with a competitive edge during fast-paced rallies. Crafted with fully encased carbon fiber, the Persus paddle ensures durability and strength, making it highly resistant to wear and tear. The carbon fiber construction also improves stability, reducing unwanted vibrations and providing a more comfortable playing experience. This durability, combined with the paddle's lightweight design, allows for easy maneuverability without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features of the Ben Johns Perseus paddle is its larger sweet spot, which ensures more forgiving shots and improved accuracy, even on off-center hits. This makes it ideal for players who want to consistently place the ball with precision while still having the power to execute aggressive shots when needed. The paddle's ergonomic grip enhances comfort during extended play, reducing hand fatigue. The edge guard provides additional protection to prevent damage and extend the lifespan of the paddle. USAPA approved, the Joola Ben Johns Perseus pickleball paddle is suitable for tournament play, ensuring it meets official standards. Whether you're a beginner or advanced player, this paddle delivers high-quality performance, making it an excellent choice for players who want to combine control, power, and precision in their game.